Welcome back, people. Today is day 43 of me trading. Day 43 or 42 of me trading Forex professionally, full time. Left my job to do that shit, and it's been 43 days right now. Okay, today we trading Euro USD, USD CHF, and GBP USD like normal. On the 4 hour, we're looking to see a strong trend direction, right? So the 4 hour right already in a downtrend, but we want that 4 hour to go below that low to give us even to give us a better higher probability setups. We just want the 4 hour to go below that low, so everything could be in a downtrend, right? The 4 hour already in a downtrend, but it's going to be in a stronger downtrend if it go below that low. So that's what we want to see happen in GBP USD. It's either it go below that low or go above that high, and most likely it's going to go below that low. USD CHF, right? On the 4 hour, it just break above a high, so we're looking to take up trades on the 5 minute. So any trade going up above that 4 hour high, we taking that shit. But right now we're looking like it going back down. That's USD CHF. Euro USD is actually in a downtrend on the 4 hour and everything else. So yeah. So in the 4 hour it's in a downtrend. We're looking to take trades. Any trade that going down right now. Right now it's 9:38. So it's literally just patience. So yeah, I'll let y'all know if anything exciting happens. But today we're going to be trading on the 50K funded account, and we're going to be risking 1% of our account, which is $500. So yeah, that's what it is. Okay, people, so we're seeing moves happening right now. Euro USD, a move is currently happening, right? And I'll explain the move and why we will be taking a trade if everything goes as planned. Oh boy, I probably need to explain that faster because that done in 2 minutes. Okay. Reason why we're going to take that trade, remember, we're looking for downtrend trades. That in a downtrend, everything else in a downtrend on Euro USD. As we can see, the 5 minute just break structure going down lower. It break below a previous low. What's a low? A down candle and an up candle. Price creating a trend leg. A trend leg is a high then a low. And then we have a FVG gap in between. I think it's going to fill a FVG gap to invalidate that trade. But if it do feel that FVG gap, then that's definitely a trade. So yeah. Yeah, okay. So it feel the FVG gap. That's definitely not a trade on my screen on my MT5. It feel the FVG gap, so that's not a trade. But if it didn't feel the FVG gap, that would be a untouched FVG in between there. When that candle closed, we would be waiting for price to hit our 0.382 line. We would enter there, place our stops above here, place our take profit at 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, and be chilling. But that didn't happen, so is kind of a waiting game. GBP USD trying to go below that 4 hour low to give us a trade, but it's kind of slow. So yeah, we taking trades only if it below that 4 hour low. Anything above that, we're not trading it. Euro USD trying to go up to give us a trade. So it's basically patience, people. Just patience. Just patience. I think I working on a new video, so I think I going to start posting like probably some days I going to post 2 videos per day because I realize you all like the other style of videos like the explainer videos and not like the documentary videos. So I going to have like a documenting video, and then I going to have explainer videos like breaking down different topics in Forex. So probably basically you're going to get more videos. You're going to get more videos, but that's not a promise. You check it. That's not something I just. If I feel like making another video today, like today I felt like making another video, so I post a video before I going to post that video today, which is why leverage is safe. Why leverage is safer than low leverage. Why high leverage is safer than low leverage. So yeah, it's kind of that. So yeah, that's basically it. We're basically waiting. We chilling. We chilling right now. I go and brush my teeth. Okay, so I don't know if you're hearing me, but right now a trade is forming on Euro USD. USD that's not a trade because you do have a FVG in that trend leg. If it had a FVG, would have definitely take that trade. GBP USD still not yet go below that line, so we cannot take that trade, as we can see right here. So yeah, the only possible trade is Euro USD. Let's see if our stop loss is 4 pips or larger. I think our stop loss is definitely 4 pips or larger. So we definitely taking a trade. Why? It breaks structure to the downtrend. Everything is in a downtrend. Like, I don't know how much time I have to say that. We have one FVG there and another FVG forming. If that candle become and another FVG forming, we want that candle to be an up candle to complete the whole trend leg. So we could look to enter trades at the 0.382 level. So yeah, okay, going lower is even better. You know, it break two structures, so that's a low. Price break that. I think it even going to go and break that structure also. So yeah, that's definitely a good trade. USD CHF going higher to create a FVG that we could potentially take a trade on. But Euro USD is probably the highest probability setup. So yeah, we're keeping our eyes peeled on that shit. Let's see. Even lower, guys. I think it's going to break that low also. So that breaking three lows basically. That's a low, that's a low, that's a low. Okay, break that low. Also breaking that low. Yeah, that's definitely a good trade. If that's the definition of an A plus setup. Like you see when you get an A plus setup, you just knowing like your mind not even, like you just knowing, oh yeah, I have to take that trade. It's a no brainer. That's the trades that I take. Trades that's a no brainer. Trades I don't have to think, oh that thing in, that this, that. That's trades I like to take. Right? Trades that are no brainers though. Yeah, that's definitely a trade. We just waiting for up candle to form so we could take a trade on the 0.382 level when price go up and retrace. So that's basically our strategy. We just waiting for price to retrace after doing a big move. Big move, retrace. Enter on the retrace and then continue on the big move. That's all what we're waiting for. So yeah. Oh my gosh, price going lower, you know. Price going lower, Ibreski. What the fuck? Oh, price going low, you know. So right now that have one FVG, two FVGs, and it might create three FVGs. Wow. USD CHF also going higher. GBP USD going down lower. We wanted to go below that line so we could possibly take trades. All right, it creating the up candle. We wanted to create the up candle so it could form the bottom of the trend leg, but it just looked like it's going to keep on going, you know. But we there waiting, we waiting patiently. I'll come back when when we there for sure. All right, my ladies and gentlemen, today is kind of like yesterday. Like probably the same thing that happened yesterday kind of happened today. So first of all, Euro USD, that's the trade we wanted to take, but we saw that candle break into that FVG zone and it touched that FVG, basically invalidating the whole trade. So it doesn't take trades when there is filled FVGs or touched FVGs in the trend leg. Alright? So we don't take that trade, and if we had take that trade, we would have been in a drawdown right now. It kind of sounding stupid, but I know exactly what I saying. After that happened, price didn't make any down trades or downtrend trades or sell trades for us. That was kind of looking like a trade, but it got failed. I explained that to y'all. USD CHF, we see that price leg did not no FVG, so that wasn't even a trade, right? We see an uptrend trade forming. That's actually a trade, but our stop loss would have been smaller than 4 pips. which makes the commission cost too high. So we didn't take that trade because of that reason. As you can see, let me show y'all. We would have entered there. Our stop loss would have to be right there, so it would have been 2.7 pips. We're not taking a trade. We have a set rule that we're not taking trades with a stop loss below 4 pips. So yeah, that's it for today. GBP USD kind of did the same thing. It didn't really go above any highs or lows. It just stayed there. Right, so it had to go above that high so we could take uptrend trades, or below that low so we could take downtrend trades. It basically just stick in the middle. Kind of consolidating from since morning at consolidating. So yeah, that's our trade day. No trades today again. It is what it is. We stopped trading at 12. Right now it's 11:57. I don't think any other trade could possibly form right now. So yeah, that's it for the trade day.